Hello viewers, welcome back to Apple Info YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to set 3D wallpaper on iPhone in iOS 26. To get started, first swipe down from the left corner of your screen. This will open up the notification center. Next, long press on an empty space on your current wallpaper. Tap on the Customize button located at the bottom center of your screen. Here you will find all the tools you need to edit your lock screen. If you would like to change your current wallpaper entirely, tap on this small image icon on the left side. From here, select Choose Photo. Select your preferred image. Now simply tap on this icon located next to the three little dots. Once tapped, your iPhone will analyze and generate the spatial effect for that selected wallpaper. After you chosen or modify your wallpaper, don't forget to save those changes. Tap Done at the top right corner of the screen. You have set up a beautiful spatial wallpaper that adds character and dynamism to your device. That's it. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.